The Chapter 8, Human Resources Management, is also known as a human capital drives the performance of the organizations along with other resources. Hence, understanding the HRM function of management is very important. Conducting job analysis is the process of gathering information on jobs by setting objective or standard of the organization management by using observation, surveys, on interview, and the second one is orienting and training new employees so they may contribute to the attainment of the organization goals and objective. The phase in this activity are conducting needs assessments of the organization persons, task, work, develop, and training program by considering institution objective and trains. The fourth one is managing compensations or pay. The next one's planning labor needs and recruiting external recruits which allow the first to fill job position with the specific qualities, compensation. It is a reward most be considered selecting candidates for jobs. This entails linking individual with jobs in particular. Job recruitment helps identify individual capabilities as well as other variables that may contribute to good performance. They also aid in determining the person's job match by providing incentives and benefits they pay for the performance.